Hello, my name is Manish Ramani. I am from MSc Fashion Design. Today I am going to talk about on my topic carbonization and this topic guided by Miss Meghna Gupta ma'am.
Coming to the introduction, when I think about carbonization, the very first thing come into my mind, what is carbonization? Sometimes scoured wool contain vegetable impurities that cannot be completely removed through the mechanical operations. For that, we are using sulfuric acid to remove vegetable impurities from the scoured wool, and this process is called carbonization. Coming to the working process of wool carbonization. The conventional process is subsequently similar to the use for loose fiber. The fabric can be previously soaked in a water or surveillance bath and squeezed, but this step is optional. Then it is a impregnation in a concentrated sulfuric acid solution and squeezed before passing through the carbonizing chamber. The carbonized particles are the removed by mechanical action and subsequent washing. In modern carbonizing plants, are this step carried out in continuous mode. Now, coming to the vegetable matter discounts. It's further divided into two types, fine wool and medium wool. Now, what is fine wool? Merino wool that has a diameter range of 18.6 to 20.5 micron. Now, coming into medium wool. The staple length is generally from 3 to 6 inches with a micron range of 24 to 31 and creams 6 to 7 per inch. The appearance is a medium luster. Medium wool breed Corriedale, Finn, Columbia. This we get in western US.
Now, coming to the advantages of carbonization. First, ensure full cleaning of fibers from impurities. Second, the fiber length isn't changed. Third, the wool production as compared with the mechanical method is increased by 1 to 1.3%. Fourth, the quality of yarn and fabric improved. And the last advantage, wool carbonization is more effective than burr picking in burr pickers. Now, coming to the disadvantages. The harsh process described cause considerable fiber breakage and loose rendering. Any long wool used suitable for the woolen system only. Coming to the techniques, there are two techniques. First, the conventional carbonizing process comprises five main stages. First, scouring. Second, acidizing. Third, drying and baking. Fourth, burr crushing. Fifth, dedusting and neutralizing. Here, second techniques also involve. Recent development process includes first acidizing, second moisture removal, third drying baking, fourth burr crushing, fifth dedusting, sixth neutralization. In this slide, all steps are mentioned which are involved in conventional carbonization. Here are my references. Thank you and have a nice day.